Hey guys, Colorado Camperman Brian here. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to install this thin shade window for your camper door by AP Products. So I purchased this on Amazon. At the time of the video here, it was about $75. And the reason why I bought this is because we think we're getting some moisture coming in from our old window. So that was number one. And then number 2 and 3 is there's a lot of times when we would love to just block that window off to make sure no light's coming in because of heat and things of that nature. And there's other times when we would love it if that window you could actually see out of. Well, this takes care of both those problems because it's got a clear tinted glass in there, and then it has an accordion style blind that you put in there as well, so you can block out the sun that goes in there at nighttime, which is super nice and really awesome. I picked this up on Amazon. At the time of this recording, it was $75, but it looks like a pretty easy installation overall. So we're going to go ahead and get the old window taken out. We'll install this new one. But first, I'll show you guys the tools that we're going to need. All right, guys, here's the tools you're going to need for this project. Super easy. I'll put Amazon links just in case you don't have any of these items. But one thing I did use, which really came in handy, is my little scaffolding here. It's just a little plank. I bought this on a Black Friday special. No, not early in the morning, but after my work day on Black Friday, I bought this for like 18 bucks. This thing is awesome. I use it all the time for work. And then I used some paint thinner, but you could use Goo Off or mineral spirits or something that just will get the old sticky residue off, and you'll need a rag to do that as well. Then I have 1.5 inch 2020 Scotch tape, and then a Phillips screwdriver, as well as a drill with a Phillips head. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to do, the instructions say to do before you take off this old window, is throw some tape around the outside so it doesn't just fall. Alright, so now all we're going to do is just take all these screws out from the old window. And they should just come off. Oh wow. Oh yeah, we got moisture problems. That's probably why we've been wondering why our door has been cracking, this plastic. And I'm thinking it's because the seal is bad around the window. Look at that. But the seal is bad. So if you're starting to get cracking on your door here like this, it's more than likely moisture problems. I'm glad we're doing this. Yeah, you can see it's almost completely gone at the bottom. Wow. Okay, now that we got the glass out in the frame, we're going to go ahead and take this back side off here. So I got the old window off, and now all we would be doing now is putting together the new window. However, I'm gonna be fixing these cracks as well. So I originally was thinking I might actually be able to take this plastic piece off, get a new one, and then just, you know, replace it. But one, that would take a lot, and two, I now see that this is a one-piece unit. The entire door is, so I want to be able to do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to caulk all these cracks here and get them all nice and filled up, and then I'm going to prime and just paint this entire surface here so then it looks nice and uniform. Alright guys, well it is actually now the next day. I did end up caulking, priming, and painting this side of the door, so looks pretty good. You can't see the cracks quite as much, and still a nice smooth finish. But anyways, so I got all the residue cleaned off on this side. Now I need to get the residue cleaned off on the other side and then go ahead and install this thing. Alright, so now that we got everything wiped down, we're going to go ahead and install the window from the outside, and you will see this white strip here. And that is like a pre-bead of caulking on here. So it should be fine as it being, you know, sealed up against the glass. It says that it self-seals. So I'm just going to pop this in here. Alright, so now I'm going to very gently open the door. So here is our interior frame, and then we have our little blind Now we do want the handle of the blind facing inside. So this is what's going to be inside. On this frame piece too, you'll notice this is larger than this one. The larger one is the top. So, just going to take this. It's supposed to just snap right into place. Alright, moment of truth. Ooh, nice. That is sweet. Oh, that is cool. I think I'm gonna bring it down with two hands. It doesn't seem like it's, you can do it with one hand down, but you can one hand up. Nice. That is awesome. So there is the finished product on the outside. Here is what it looks like on the inside. Man, it is so cool that you can see out. Gosh, it's crazy. I really like that. Oh yeah, that's sweet. I like that. Man, that is nice. This is with the shade down on the outside and you really can't see in at all. Very nice. Alright guys, well that does it for this install video. Overall, a super easy install, and I think it's something that we're definitely going to enjoy with our camper. Between being able to have the shade come down to block out any sun and heat, and then being able to have things open and be able to look out, I think we're really going to enjoy it. So I do a lot of DIY videos like this, so if you're new to the channel, I'll put a playlist right now of some other installs and upgrades that we've done. Throw a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed this video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.